Okay, guys, so here's well, the problem that I've been having with the Tektronix cabs auto blipper. Right now the bike is in neutral, and I put the what feeds the power from the brake lever. I just put it straight to the lights, like that. I don't have to be worrying about pressing the brake for this test. So I mean, right now, if you can see, if I could pull the clutch lever, you could see how the little light blinks. Okay, even though it does not perform a blip. Okay, I just see it. As you can see, it's just blinking on neutral. Now, very quick, I just want to go ahead and do a walk around quick that you guys have not seen yet. And this is the YEC SUPERBIKE that I wanted to build for the streets. I don't know how come, if you guys are watching that good. It's on the GoPro. I mean, this thing is sick. When you ride this bike, it just feels like something else. I do ride the bike on the streets though. The law says here you need to have some lights, so there are some lights. So I mean, it's street legal. Noise wise, it drives everybody in here crazy. Sets off all the alarms. But let's go ahead and take it for a ride so that you can see that the blipper for some reason does not work. Now I'm not going to use any gear or anything, so this will be fast. Alright guys, so here we go. All right, now to finish the walk around, for those of you who did not know, I'm running on there Renthal 47 with a 16.5 Marchesini wheels. I grooved them for the cops. Resson rear sets, has quick shifter with a YEC ECU flash. Saddleman seat. This is a custom carbon fiber tail that I make myself. All the controls, pit limiter, map selection, remote cable, the cab's auto blipper, the race dash, which I do not like at all. It has a Brembo 19 by 20 billet master cylinder, Motion Pro quick action throttle, which is a piece of shit. Brembo levers to match. Has some Brembo HTs, I believe, full floating 3Ds. Stock calipers, stock suspension. I'm working on that. With the brake lines, Resoma fuel cap, what's left of the Woodcraft one after I crashed this bike so many times. I wanted to go with a Graves undermount because I seen their Bill Dixon's bike, how it sounds, and it's just wicked. I just wanted mine to sound like that and exactly the same. On the rear we have a braking rear disc from Graves, the Light Tech chain adjusters, and everything else is just engine. It does have a ported. They don't use polish anymore, so it's just ported and I don't know what head from BSR1 Boston Style Racing. On the forum, the head has been milled. Also the valves. It has YEC head gasket, YEC base gasket. It has a YEC valve springs, YEC cams. It has the Graves clutch upgrade kit, which is awesome. Let me see. As for the motor, that's it. Everything in there is it's a YEC, or even the piston rings are YEC, but there's the same thing as stock. As you can see, I ride my bike on the streets during the day, so I don't want to go with the YEC transmission and all that. But I mean, as you can tell, it flies. This bike now scares the living shit out of me. I have not had a dyno tune, so I don't know what's the outcome. But as my friend Ran over from Sweden, he did the very same setup as me, and he got 190. So I guess I'm somewhere around there. We're sharing the same YEC map. So I mean, that's it. As for the auto blipper, as you can see, it did not work. I don't know for what reason it's not working, but I'm guessing right now it's just up to a faulty unit. And there it is, guys.